Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube tutorial on how to actually draw a bird. I think we've all seen Mr. JJV, the jet plane's video on how to draw a bird, and I think we all agree that ain't no bird. So today, we're gonna be drawing a proper bird. Alright? So you wanna pull out your brush tool, right? Alright? And then you're gonna wanna start, basic form, just get that beautiful beacon. And then now you have the beak. Then you wanna add the head. Give it the little eyes, your little nose. And then you're gonna wanna give it its wings, right? And so you wanna then you wanna then you wanna give it its body. You want to make sure you give it its fingers too, because everyone knows birds have fingers. You want to give it its little stomach thing, and then you want to give it its feet. Oh, and don't forget the classic bird pair of shades that every bird has. The nose is down here, I think. All right. Then you just paint your bird. You just paint your bird and whoa! All done. Bird done. Hold on a minute. Too big. Like for cool birds.